This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Todd David. Investor and Handyman Alert 3/2/2 lots of potential here to make this home something special. Great floor plan with a family room and a large great room, 16 by 22, with fireplace. Huge screened-in lanai, 17 by 22, with a fenced-in backyard. In the backyard is a shed for extra storage. Home is on city water and not in a flood zone. Great location close to shopping, restaurants, golfing, and the mall. Don't miss this opportunity to create your dream home in a great area of Port Charlotte. For more information, review the details below.